Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly amazing to share with you, the tiny, but mighty, Chia Seed and its incredible benefits for staying fit and healthy. So, if you're looking to supercharge your wellness journey, stick around because this video is for you. First things first, let's dive into the basics. What are chia seeds? Well, these tiny seeds are packed with nutrients like fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. They come from the Salvia hispanica plant and have been a staple in ancient diets for centuries. Now, let's talk about why chia seeds are so awesome for staying fit. One of their standout features is their ability to absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, forming a gel-like consistency in your stomach, keeping you fuller for longer. This can aid in weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. Need a natural energy boost? Chia seeds have got you covered. Thanks to their mix of complex carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats, they provide a sustained release of energy. No more energy crashes from sugary snacks. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for heart health, and chia seeds are a fantastic plant-based source of them. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and support cardiovascular wellness. Maintaining a healthy gut is vital for overall well-being, and chia seeds are gut-friendly. Their high fiber content promotes good digestion and can help prevent constipation. So, how can you include chia seeds in your diet? There are endless possibilities. You can add them to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or make a delicious chia pudding. The seeds absorb the flavors they're paired with, making them versatile and tasty. Now, let's whip up a quick and easy chia pudding together. This recipe is perfect for breakfast or a healthy dessert option. There you have it, folks, the incredible benefits of chia seeds for staying fit and healthy. Remember to incorporate them into your diet gradually and stay hydrated because they do absorb water. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for joining us today. Stay fit, stay healthy, and remember, those tiny chia seeds can make a big difference in your wellness journey. Until next time, take care, and stay well.